saw him digging when I was walking up here. But he's being all sorts of sneaky. Well, you made a mess out of this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another one. Today is, I have no idea. We might do a goose hunt. I have some footage from one of those. It might be some trapping. We're going to the dairy right now to see if there's any starlings to kick off. We gotta check the trap line. Who knows where the day will take us. But it is Saturday. I'm off finally. About 3 o'clock, I got a scout yet, and I've got the itch to shoot something, so hopefully there's something at the dairy, but it doesn't look very promising. We'll find out here shortly though. I was completely banking on there being a cloud of starlings here. There's been a ton of them, like the last forever. Lots. I don't know if I'm just too late. I'd like to be here around noon. It's about 3 o'clock now. There's none. Well, good for them. Crap for me, but good for them. Well, might as well go check traps now. Nothing at the first 2 spots. Let's check the conibear. Nope. Bummer. All right, onward. Why? All right, my log set, for some reason, all that wants to get caught there is skunks. I am so done with skunks. Anyway, let's go look at him. It's gonna take forever. Hopefully he's a bit older than the last one, because last one was a royal pain in the butt. Like, took me almost an hour and a half. Did not like it. Snare's empty. Whoa, almost tripped. Snare's empty. That's it. You got yourself in a predicament there, bud. I'm gonna help him out. All right, finally. Took literally about 20 minutes worth of sweet talking. Got him calmed down, got him taken care of. I'm gonna glove up, put my stuff away, get him out of the trap. We'll remake it, and then we're gonna time travel like back who knows how far to some more trapping, and well, at least I hope so. I think I found a couple of clips from back then. It's gotta be one of the uglier skunks that I've caught. I mean, the stripes are good, tail's just ugly. Yeah, there we go. Another stinker for the list. We got one trap up at the top of the hill. We don't have anything big unless it's playing, you know, sneaky, because I could see it from down here. But who knows? Maybe we got something cool. But let's go get that one more set checked. But just a pretty standard remake for me again. Let's get moving. Bunch of nothing again. Come on, buddies. I missed. Bummer. I was so happy to get to shoot and I messed it up. Oh well, maybe I'll get another shot. There we go. I got one. All right, let me get my shell, see if we can get him picked up. Oh. 2 lax, no bueno. One. That one I can find. I couldn't find the other one. Oh, don't jump in the water. Don't jump in the water. Well, there we go. Got another one. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna try and poke a couple more if everything goes well. I'm not sure what's gonna follow this, if it's trapping, if it's hunting. You guys are gonna be just, well, you guys are probably gonna be less surprised than I am. But yeah, we'll get to that here in just a second. Well, since I'm here, might as well get some chocolate. What do we got? cream eggs. More coconut cream eggs. Please don't be coconut cream. Coconut cream. And ooh, caramel eggs. I don't mind if I do. I like coming to the dairy. So much fun. Anything that's wrapped, if I don't take it, if people don't take it, goes the dump, because you can't unwrap all of these to give them to the cows. Obviously you can't give them to the cows with the wrappers on. Bum deal, actually. Oh, here come two. Hard on the left. Four, five. Ready to kill these? Huh? If these two get close enough again, let's take them. Where are you guys going? Ready? Yep. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, leave him. We'll throw Dying Crow on. That was awesome. We got a crow. Pretty crow. Big ugly bird. Hey guys, little midday check here. I got a little ways to go, but we got tight chains. Sorry about the wind. Anyway, let's get up there and see what he looks like. I can see the trap circle from the road, but he was being all sneaky and laying down like this. Saw him digging when I was walking up here. But he's being all sorts of sneaky. Well, you made a mess out of this. And a very big one. He'll do though. Look at that. First yote here. It's good news. Good full paw catch. This wasn't going anywhere. Doesn't look broke. Good guard here. Oh, I'm hoping that's just matted there on his back right there. Hopefully it's not rubbed. Either way, no reason to stress her out more than I already have. Let's get her dispatched. I'll show her to you then and get a remake done. Well, not a big one, but it's a nice female. Got a few cockleburs in her here and there. Nothing spectacular, but you know, it's a coyote. The other trap is set off. I'll show you that real quick. Just straight up snapped. I don't know. Either way, I gotta reset it. Okay, all reset now. I gotta hurry up. This lunch break's taking a little bit longer than what I really anticipated. I didn't think I'd catch anything last night, but weather changed, wind switched up. It was a nice night, windy. But yeah, we got one. This is the first stop on the day too. Might not be over. But here's the remake. I went ahead and did a normal dirt hole. Hopefully this wind isn't too bad. You know, trap's normal. Went and just grabbed a tumbleweed, sort of buried part of it there to make sure they come on the right side. Hopefully, sorry I'm blocking the wind, sorry about the weird angles. Hopefully it works again. We'll see. Well, we're pulling into the second spot here. I gotta get back to work from lunch because I'm well over my allotted time for that. But I don't see anything moving yet. I got a little ways to get up to them. 0, 0. Well, that was anticlimactic. Anyway, I'll see you guys either tonight in the dark or tomorrow, hopefully if we catch something then. Hey guys, next day, finally out to go check traps, but at the same time that I need to be scouting, so hopefully I can do both at the same time. We'll see. But anyway, getting ready to pull up to the first spot here in a second. Maybe we got something good. We're about to find out though. Well, nothing there. But we got ourselves another old Ricky raccoon. Hey dude, you look a little stuck. You wanna say hi? You're gonna be on TV. He's a little bit on the shy side. Not really shy. He's just not, you know, not quite so happy to see me. Can't say I blame him. But anyway, let's go ahead and get him dispatched, and we'll take a look at him after that. Well, I don't want to show too much of him. You guys know why. Anyway, we got 2 more spots to check, and the sun's getting lower, so I gotta keep moving. Obviously, it's gotten kind of dark. So I decided to go run around, see if I could find some birds to hunt in the morning. Hopefully I found a good feed. It's not really a good feed. It's not. So look, we're still looking for options though. But still gotta run traps. So we'll see if we got anything today. Not gonna lie, part of me really hopes I don't have anything. Because honestly, I don't feel like remaking any sets. I don't see anything dancing. Part of me's happy, the other part of me a little disappointed. Let's check the conibear. Conibear, I can see what that is already. Oh, that stinks. Okay. Well, we got a skunk there. And yeah, conibear did its work. Typically a little bit less clean than what I can do with the pole. But got a couple more traps to check, come back and get him out then. Let's see if we have anything down here. Oh, hi dude. All right, so we got another raccoon to take care of. All right, well this guy did a little less flopping. But, you know, he's not the biggest one in the world, but he'll do. We got one more trap to check. Kind of hope it's empty, but I kind of hope it's something good because I mean, I'm out here anyway. So let's go do that. This is the worst. Okay. Oh, accidental catch. Something got a free dinner. Shoot, now I gotta make this set for nothing. Oh well, hey, did catch, something came through here. I've got bait. So I'll get it done and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Well, in case you didn't notice, that video was kind of all over the place. Just got done editing it up to this point. And yeah, I'm tired, honestly. Got a goose hunt in the morning. Basically what I'm trying to say is, sorry for the messed up video. Hope you guys liked it. I have not been on my best game as of late, but I'm planning on doing better. Hopefully tomorrow will be a banger, and I'll have another great goose hunt for you guys. But that's the plan. Got the old shot cam charging. You know, getting ready. Ooh, what's this? Love that dive bomb case. So nice. Anyway, you guys know the drill. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't. And hopefully the next video will be a whole lot better and you'll stick around for that one. But anyway, we'll see you then.